Hey guys, Jackie here. Today's video is an everyday woman, man, everyday people who wear makeup kind of look. And I used mostly everything except for maybe like 2 things of Believe Beauty. So, bonus, we use super affordable makeup to do it. So yeah, if you like videos like this, beauty related content, all that fun, don't mind me, just moving my foot. If you like beauty related content, shop with me's, hauls, reviews, tutorials, mainly tutorials, then make sure you hit that subscribe button so you will be told of my videos when I put them up. Sentences are hard to put together today. Also, hit the little bell if you want to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. YouTube will alert you as soon as my videos go up. Now that I got all that out, let's get started. I might have just figured out the lighting situation with my camera. There's like, if you hold your finger on your face, it says AE lock, and now there's not that like bright flashback white out. Huh, okay, so that's fun. Hopefully I just figured that out. Wish I'd done that a long time ago. Today we're doing a look for the everyday working, non-working, just want to feel good about themselves woman or man. No judgment here. And so yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. primer. Oh my god, guys, it's been. The end of this year has been something, let me tell you. Craziness. Always something around here, always this time of year. Is it always Mercury retrograde this time of year, the end of the year or something? Because I feel like that's usually when everything happens. And yeah, I can't say I'd appreciate it much. Because I don't appreciate it at all, to be honest with you. Alright, I'm gonna go into a very cool tone neutral palette. I'm gonna use the Milani Soft and Sultry. Hi. I love mirror packaging. Hate trying to show mirror packaging in a camera. Okay. I'm going to actually go all over the lid with my finger with this color right here, which is Foxy Lady. Oh, perfect. And I'm going to tap that all over the lid. And don't worry about getting it in the crease because we gonna blend it into the crease as well. So I'm just gonna tap that on the lid. Well, I feel very in your face with this background, like nothing going on, and then there's me. I'm kind of digging it, not gonna lie. Okay, there's one eye, we'll do the other eye. Now we're going to take a not too fluffy brush, but a fluffy brush, a semi-fluffy brush, if you will. Like this. This brush will work. And we're going to tap into that color just a hair and blend it into the crease. Like so. Now we're going to get a bigger fluffy brush, fluffier fluffy brush, if you will. And we're going to tap into this bone shade color and we're just going to blend the edges out and soften the edges a little bit. So you can see we got a little fallout, which is okay because we can take our handy dandy makeup wipe and we can wipe that off. Oh, look at that. All gone. I'm actually gonna put on my face primer before I finish my eyelashes and such, because I like to let it sink in. So we're gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. If you don't know, now you know. It's my favorite primer in the world. Okay, gonna go in with some Believe Beauty mascara now. Coat them lashes up. Now if you're like me and you wanna be a little extra, curl your eyelashes again and put on a waterproof mascara. Okay, mascara is done. Mascara. For now, obviously. Okay, so now we are going to do the face. And I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Believe Beauty Tinted Moisturizer because, well, it's for the everyday girl who just needs to throw something on and get out the door. So that's what I'm going to do. Throw something on. Alright, use my Stylish sponge as usual. This is my absolute favorite sponge. I don't know if you noticed, I use it in every single video. I love this sponge. Alright. We don't need the sound effects, girl. We don't need the sound effects. Skin's been mad at me. I don't know what I did to it, but I ate too much junk food or something. Like that's anything new. I'm gonna use a lot of Believe Beauty today, I think. That's what I'm feeling today. I'm feeling the Believe Beauty vibes. Now, I need concealer. And I'm gonna use a couple shades of the Believe Beauty concealer. I'm gonna use Ivory and Fair. And the Fair I'm going to use to conceal things like this very angry spot. It doesn't like me right now. We're just gonna let that sit for a second. I'm gonna try to conceal this, but it is a scab, so chances of that actually staying there are slim. I guess that's it. Okay, so we're gonna let those sit there for a minute, and we're going to use some of this under eye concealer. Yes. I don't know why my eye circles are getting so dark all of a sudden. It's very weird. I wonder if it's the eye stuff I'm using. I wonder if that's actually making my dark circles worse. Conspiracies. Okay, alrighty. So we blended that out. Now we need powder. And we're gonna use a Believe Blue powder. Believe Beauty powder as soon as I find it. I'm always looking for something, aren't I? Okay. I'm gonna use this Believe Beauty loose powder. It is matte blur loose powder, light medium. I'm gonna let you know right now, this gonna be dark. This powder is dark on me, but whatevs. I guess we're gonna use this little brush, dip in here, dip in here, swirly, swirly. Nervous. Okay. Okay, now let's do a little bit of... Let's do our brows first. I'm gonna try this Believe Beauty brow powder. We're gonna see what happens. Yeah, it comes a little spoolie. This is so tiny. I wish it was a little longer. I mean, it's cute, but hard to get a grip on. If your fingers are any bigger than mine, you might as well just forget it. This thing works pretty well. Okay, I'm gonna try this one and see what happens. Yep, that's what we're doing. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna be dark enough. actually looks good. I think it might actually be perfect. Look at that. How's that? Not too bad. I want to use the wax. Oh. I want to use the wax and see if that's helpful at all at keeping the brows in place. Comment down below, in a brow powder situation. Oh my god, I can't feel my toes. This happens every time. In a brow powder kit, do you put the wax on first or do you put the wax on after? I don't really know. I always put it on after, but am I doing that wrong? Maybe. I don't know. You tell me. Comment below what you think or what you do if you use brow powders. I always feel like the wax holds the powder in and like helps sculpt the brows. So I always feel like the wax, I don't know. I guess it could work either way. Let me know. Let me know down below. Oh. So I think that worked out really well, actually. I think my brows match my hair very, very well. Beautiful. Okay, moving on. We are now going to use this Believe Beauty Get Glowin' Highlight Contour Palette, which is this. This has a blush, has a contour, bronzer contour. We're using it for both today. And a highlight that is a little too dark for me. So let's do it. First we're going to contour. Yeah, I'm just going to use my fluffy brush. And I'm going to go into the brown color on Ivy. Hello. And we're going to do a little bit of this. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. There we go. Matchy matchy. How about thatty? Oh, Lord. Okay, now we're going to use a blush brush. We're going to use this Putty Peach blush right there. Has a little sheen to it, so it's going to give us a little bit of glow, which I'm okay with. Kind of does tend to emphasize my texture, but what doesn't at this point? Blush just emphasizes my texture. Spit it out, Jackie. All right, here's the tough part. This is going to be tough because this highlight is gonna be dark on me. I can put some of it on and buff it out. That's what we're gonna do. All right, I'm gonna take this this brush that I use for my highlights. It is actually just, what is this? It's a setting brush, but I use it for highlight. I'm gonna go into that beautiful goldy champagne, gold bronze, more gold bronze than champagne, and we're gonna destroy this makeup look. Maybe not, maybe not. Okay, I guess I can get away with getting it on there, not too. Okay. Wow, okay, I guess that does work if you put like very, very little amount on. Okay, let's finish the bottom lash line. We are just gonna, what are we gonna do, Jackie? Well, I don't know, Jackie. Let's figure it out as soon as I find the palette that I use to do my makeup with. Found it. We're actually going to take this shade right here on a thinner fluffy brush, like a flat but fluffy brush, and we are going to run it along the bottom just a little bit, like so. See that? And then throw on some mascara. Believe beauty for this chicka. Hello, Jackie. You know, you can take the blonde out of the hair, but you can't take the blonde out of the girl. I should have set my face before I put on that mascara, because now it's probably gonna smudge. But we gotta. It's looking a little powdery, and we can't be having no powdery situation going on here. So I'm just gonna lightly close my eyes. Spray. Lip. We need a lip. We always need a lip. My suggestion for a lip here would be your go-to nude. My go-to nude. My shirt is wet from setting spray. My go-to nude is the Wet n Wild Bare It All paired with the Bare to Comment lip liner. And if you want, you can throw a little gloss on. I prefer not to because it lasts longer if I don't. Do that so it doesn't get on my teeth. And that is it. There is your everyday girl work. This is your everyday look that you can just chuck on and go to work or school or nowhere. You can go nowhere, like me. I go nowhere. So yes, if you enjoy this video and this if you enjoy this video and this look, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget that I upload 3 times a week. And yeah, you can always come back, check out future videos, or if you want, you can go through my channel and watch older videos. It's up to you. But I do hope that you will come back for more videos. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day.